Welcome once again. As part of our lesson 2.2, we shall consider counting in numbers based on commonly shared properties. A group of numbers in a sequence can share a common property. Let's see some common examples. We can have like 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These numbers in this sequence are consecutive, positive numbers. You can also have -9, -8, -7, -6, and -5. These numbers in this sequence form consecutive, negative numbers. Okay? What do I mean by consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are successive numbers. That is to say that the changing factor or factor that brings about a change from one term to another in the sequence remains the same or is common. Another way you can say it is that the factor or the number I can add to or subtract from or multiplied by or divide by the first term to give me the second term must be the same. I'll add to, subtract from, multiply by, or divide by the second term to give me the third term, and so on as you move along the sequence. Okay, having said that, let's take more examples of commonly shared numbers. Okay, so we have the third example. Let's say 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These numbers in this sequence form consecutive even numbers. Alright? We can also have consecutive odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These numbers in this sequence form consecutive odd numbers. What are even and odd numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and numbers that end in 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. And odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Let's take more examples. We can also have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These numbers in this sequence are prime numbers. You can also have 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These numbers are factors of 20. Because they can all divide 20 exactly. Okay? We can also have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. These numbers are multiples of 4 because 4 can divide each of them exactly. What do we mean by factors and multiples? Okay, factors and multiples will be discussed in details in our lesson 5. So keep following our lessons. We will soon get to our lesson 5 where we will discuss factors and multiples in details. There are so many other examples. Thank you for your time.